Viral, high-protein TikTok. Cottage cheese ice cream. Cottage cheese ice cream is one of the most viral food trends to come out of TikTok in recent years, and it took the internet completely by surprise. The concept is simple. A full container of cottage cheese is blended completely smooth until it reaches a creamy, lump-free consistency, then mixed with a sweetener like honey or maple syrup and a flavoring such as peanut butter, berries, or chocolate chips, and frozen for several hours. What comes out of the freezer is a thick, creamy frozen dessert that tastes remarkably similar to regular ice cream, but contains a fraction of the sugar and a significantly higher amount of protein. A single serving can deliver anywhere from 15 to 20 grams of protein, which is why fitness communities and health-conscious Americans latched onto it almost immediately after it first appeared online. The texture is slightly denser than traditional ice cream, but smooth enough that most people are genuinely surprised by how satisfying it is. Pancakes. High-protein breakfast trend. Cottage cheese pancakes. Cottage cheese pancakes have become a staple in the high-protein breakfast community across America, and they have earned their place on the trend list because they genuinely work as a satisfying
To
meal
make these cottage
rather than
cheese
just a
pancakes,
novelty.
simply blend
The
the
basic
oats,
recipe blends
eggs, and
cottage
cheese
cheese with
until
eggs,
creamy, just like
oats or
this.
oat flour, and a
To
little
make these
vanilla until
cottage cheese
smooth,
pancakes,
then cooks the
simply
batter
blend
on
the
a skillet
oats,
like regular
eggs, and cheese
pancakes.
until creamy,
The
just like
result is a
this.
pancake that is slightly thicker and denser than the classic diner version, but packed with protein and far lower in refined carbohydrates. What makes them particularly appealing is that they taste like real pancakes, slightly sweet, fluffy enough, and satisfying in a way that plain egg white omelets simply are not. They have become a go-to weekend breakfast for people following high-protein diets who still want something that feels indulgent without derailing their nutrition goals. Pasta hack creamy viral. Cottage cheese pasta sauce. Cottage cheese pasta sauce emerged as a direct response to the viral baked feta pasta trend, and it quickly carved out its own loyal following among Americans looking for a high-protein alternative to heavy cream-based pasta sauces. The process involves blending cottage cheese with garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, and parmesan until it becomes a completely smooth, velvety white sauce that is then tossed with hot pasta. The heat from the pasta warms the sauce without cooking it further, keeping it silky and light. Compared to traditional Alfredo or carbonara, this version delivers a similar creamy texture and rich coating with dramatically more protein and far less saturated fat. It went massively viral on TikTok and Instagram because the visual transformation from lumpy cottage cheese to a glossy, smooth sauce felt almost magical on
Look at
camera,
this
and the taste
transformation.
genuinely surprised people who expected it to be a pale imitation of the real thing. Quick meal savory, trending. Cottage cheese toast. Cottage cheese toast took off in America as a natural evolution of the avocado toast trend, offering a higher protein, lower fat alternative that works for both sweet and savory toppings. The base is simple: a thick slice of toasted sourdough or whole grain bread spread generously with cottage cheese, either left chunky or blended smooth depending on preference. From there, the toppings are where creativity takes over. Savory versions feature everything from sliced cucumber, smoked salmon, and everything bagel seasoning to roasted cherry tomatoes and fresh herbs. Sweet versions go in the opposite direction with honey, fresh berries, sliced banana, and a drizzle of nut butter. The combination of the crunchy toast, the cool, creamy cheese, and the variety of toppings makes it endlessly customizable, which is a significant part of why it spread so quickly across food blogs, Instagram, and TikTok recipe pages throughout the country. Bowl with spoon. Breakfast bowl gym culture. Cottage cheese bowl. Cottage cheese bowls have become one of the most straightforward and widely adopted trends in American healthy eating culture, largely because they require almost zero preparation and deliver an impressive nutritional profile. The format is essentially a bowl of cottage cheese used as a base, similar to how people use Greek yogurt, layered with toppings that can range from granola, fresh fruit, and honey on the sweet side to roasted vegetables, olive oil, and cracked black pepper on the savory side. The high protein content of cottage cheese makes it a particularly popular breakfast and post-workout meal among gym-goers and people following calorie-conscious diets. What helped push it into mainstream American food culture was its presence on TikTok, where creators began documenting the satisfying visual of building a layered bowl and highlighting just how much protein a single serving provides compared to other common breakfast options. Wrap trend lunch protein. Cottage cheese wrap. Cottage cheese wraps gained traction in America as part of the broader high-protein lunch trend that exploded across social media platforms in the early 2020s. The typical version uses a large flour or low-carb tortilla spread with a thick layer of cottage cheese as the base, then filled with lean proteins like grilled chicken or turkey, fresh vegetables, and a drizzle of hot sauce or dressing before being rolled tightly and eaten like a standard wrap. The cottage cheese serves as both a spread and a protein booster, replacing higher-calorie condiments like mayo or sour cream. A more creative variation that went particularly viral involved blending cottage cheese with herbs and garlic to create a smooth herbed spread that functions almost like a flavored cream cheese inside the wrap. The simplicity of the meal, quick to assemble, easy to take to work, and packed with protein, made it an instant hit among busy Americans watching their nutrition. Dip trend, snacking party food. Cottage cheese dip. Cottage cheese dip became a popular snacking trend in America as health-conscious eaters began looking for ways to replace calorie-dense dips like ranch, French onion, and sour cream-based options with something that offered more protein without sacrificing flavor. The most common versions blend cottage cheese completely smooth and then fold in flavoring ingredients: garlic powder, onion powder, dried dill, chives, lemon zest, and black pepper are common additions that give it a profile very similar to a classic ranch or onion dip. The result is a thick, creamy, scoopable dip that works with vegetables, crackers, pita chips, and pretzels. Sweet versions also emerged, blending cottage cheese with honey, cinnamon, and vanilla for a fruit dip that doubles as a high-protein snack. The dip trend took hold particularly strongly in the meal prep community because a large batch can be made on Sunday and used throughout the week for quick, satisfying snacks. Cupcake. Baking hack high protein. Cottage cheese muffins. Cottage cheese muffins represent a baking trend that quietly grew in popularity across American food blogs and fitness communities before gaining wider mainstream attention through social media. The basic idea is to substitute cottage cheese for butter, oil, or sour cream in a traditional muffin recipe, which dramatically increases the protein content while reducing the overall fat. The cottage cheese breaks down during baking, leaving no visible curds in the finished muffin. It simply contributes moisture, a slight richness, and a tender crumb that is surprisingly similar to a standard bakery muffin. Both savory and sweet variations have found audiences. Savory cottage cheese muffins with cheddar, chives, and sun-dried tomatoes have become popular as a grab-and-go breakfast or lunch, while sweet versions with blueberries or banana and honey appeal to people who want a more traditional muffin experience with better nutritional value. Pizza. Pizza hack low-carb viral. Cottage cheese pizza crust. Cottage cheese pizza crust is one of the more unexpected applications of the cottage cheese trend, and it has developed a dedicated following among Americans following low-carb and high-protein diets who still want to enjoy pizza without the refined flour. The crust is made by blending cottage cheese with eggs and a small amount of almond flour or oat flour, spreading the mixture thin on a baking sheet, and baking it until it sets into a firm, slightly chewy base that can hold toppings. The result is not identical to a traditional pizza crust. It is denser and has a slightly eggy quality, but it holds together well enough to pick up and eat, and it delivers a genuinely satisfying pizza experience with a protein content that would be impossible to achieve with wheat flour. The trend grew significantly on TikTok, where creators shared the dramatic before and after of the baking process, making the transformation from wet batter to solid crust visually compelling for viewers. Cup with straw. Smoothie trend, protein shake. Cottage cheese smoothie. Cottage cheese smoothies entered the American health food conversation as a high-protein alternative to protein powder-based shakes, appealing particularly to people who prefer to get their nutrition from whole food sources rather than supplements. The process is simple. Cottage cheese is blended with frozen fruit, a liquid base like milk or almond milk, and optional add-ins like honey, vanilla, spinach, or nut butter. When fully blended, the cottage cheese disappears completely into the smoothie, contributing a thick, creamy texture and a significant protein boost without any detectable dairy tang. A single serving made with a half cup of cottage cheese adds approximately 14 grams of protein to the smoothie before any other ingredients are factored in. The trend resonated strongly with the morning routine community on TikTok and YouTube, where creators highlighted the protein content and the convenience of a filling breakfast that takes less than 2 minutes to prepare. Egg scramble breakfast hack. Cottage cheese scrambled eggs. Cottage cheese scrambled eggs became a breakfast trend in America after fitness creators and nutrition-focused food accounts began sharing the technique as a way to make scrambled eggs dramatically creamier and higher in protein without adding butter or cream. The method involves whisking cottage cheese directly into raw beaten eggs before cooking, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons per 2 eggs, and then cooking the mixture low and slow in a nonstick pan. The cottage cheese melts into the eggs as they cook, releasing moisture that keeps the curds soft and silky rather than dry and rubbery. The finished eggs are noticeably creamier than standard scrambled eggs and have a slightly richer flavor without any identifiable cottage cheese taste. The trend spread rapidly because it solved a common problem many home cooks face: overcooked, dry scrambled eggs, while simultaneously boosting the nutritional profile of what is already one of America's most popular breakfasts. Lasagna swap, Italian-American. Cottage cheese lasagna. Cottage cheese lasagna is not a new invention. American home cooks have been using cottage cheese as a substitute for ricotta in lasagna for decades, particularly in regions where ricotta was harder to find or more expensive. What made it a trend in the current era is the renewed interest in high-protein cooking and the discovery by a new generation of home cooks that cottage cheese actually produces a lasagna with a slightly lighter, less dense filling than the traditional ricotta.